What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you how I created this ad
This is Mark, he runs a brand. He cuts every single ad by hand, one a day, the same tired.
directly inside of Claude. Okay, and as you guys know, those cartoon singing ads are a crazy good format right now. They are printing across all types of different niches, different ad accounts, every single fucking thing. So I'm gonna show you how you can create those exactly. And those ads in our community are literally some of the highest spenders. As you can see, we have a guy literally hitting a 15 ROAS with this and consistently round about a 4 to 5 ROAS just with these cartoon ads. And by the way, if you want to join the community, click the link below. It literally has all the value you could possibly need. So you get the connections for the private suppliers, company setups, basically everything. Okay, so to start off, everything is done directly inside of Claude, just so you understand. So basically, all you need is a reference image and then this type of prompt and the Polaris connector. And I'm going to show you how you can get the prompts and the connector really quickly. So you head to polarisugc.com. And then once you're logged in, you go down here to the MCP section. You press on it, you copy the URL, you bring it into Claude, press on this little plus, then you go to add a connector and then add a custom connector. And then you paste it and you name it Polaris. That is fucking it. And they are literally so fucking cheap. They are cheaper than Hixfield and have like the same quality, same video models, everything. And I actually even believe they have like some type of like discount going on right now. If it is still going on, it is on the pricing page. I don't know, I already have them, so yeah. So the first thing you're gonna need is actually the prompt. So you're gonna go to the resources tab, and then what you are going to do is how to create AI cartoon ads that print. That is the one that you're gonna press on, and then you're just gonna copy paste the prompt. So here you see the first prompt. I just copied it with the reference. That's very important. You need a reference of the style you want to copy. And then you just fill in the information that is basically here within the like brackets. Then for the script, it's literally just copy pasting once again. So as you can see here, my reference image landed for the character and I was quite happy with it. So I just went onto the script and as you can see, another like just pasted prompt. So I just got this and then I didn't like it exactly. So I tweaked it a bit because I wanted it to rhyme better. So I actually just told it to make it rhyme better so the song will turn out good, and that's it. So as you guys can see, it's literally just copy pasting and it's that simple. So then the next thing was literally me just like generating the scene images. So I went ahead, copy pasted the prompt. Then as you can see, everything landed for all of the scenes. Then the next thing is simply to animate like the actual clips. So once again, copy, paste. That is it. You just copy paste prompts from this doc into Claude. You could also upload the doc if you want and just say, okay, walk me through this, but I just do it like this. And then the step you're actually gonna skip is the voiceover step because you don't want a voiceover, you want it to sing. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the background music prompt and then below basically just say like once you actually, okay, I'm scrolling through the clips. Once you actually have the background music prompt, you're just gonna say below it, make it also generated with the singing and the whole script. And then it's gonna do every single thing. So the last step is literally just bringing it into CapCut and cutting it all together. And that's literally it. And then you have this finished result.
This is Mark, he runs a brand. He cuts every single ad by hand, one a day, the same tired face. Same old hook, the same losing race. By Friday, the ad is dead and gone, and his CPMs keep climbing on. He's not out of ideas, that's not the trap. He's out of ads, that's the gap. He made them one at a time, that's all. Agencies and editors just stalled. Nobody fixed the actual cause. No wonder nothing worked, that was the flaw. Now this is Leo, same kind of brand. He types one line in, 20 ads land. Cartoons and clay and faces that feel real. By Monday, he's tested the whole reel. One full ad in 3 minutes flat. It ships to Meta and TikTok, that's that. He wakes up and they're already made. Mark's still cutting while the winners get paid. Don't be like Mark, polarisugc.com.
So if you have any more questions, you can hit me up on Instagram. It is linked below. And Polaris UGC, as I said, probably I think has a discount going on right now. So check that out. And then also you can go right ahead and join my community below. It is fucking fire. You got all the connections you need. You got all the value. We do group calls, we do AMAs, we do everything. So it's literally fire. And if you want to see different types of content or anything, just text it into the comments and that is it. Bye bye, guys.